Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. In this video, you will learn about how to add an activity inside a course. And here we will talk about folder activity. Okay, so let's begin. So currently I am logging here with an admin role and I am on dashboard. So first click on my courses. Now click on the courses you want to add activity. So for now, I am going inside this course name too. So click on this name, and right now I am in the view mode of this course. So click on edit mode here, and you can see here the two chapter is mentioned, chapter one and chapter two. Let's add an activity inside chapter one. So click on add an activity or resource. Search for folder. If you are getting this list longer, you can also search here by typing. Okay, so folder, click on it. Now create, type the name here. Let's suppose in my case name is resource. Okay, so here learning resource for your class work. Okay, so if you have added name description, that is enough. Nothing. Now click on save and return to course. So you can see here we have created an activity folder. If you want to add more folder, you can click here, click on edit. You can create here. Let's suppose resource is on top in top level. You can create science resource one. This we can see that I created. You can create mini directory science resource 2. Okay, so you can see here only. But if you refresh without clicking on save changes, it will not be saved. So please make sure while creating this one, you have to click on save changes to get the job done. Okay. So now you can see here inside parent we have two child, science resource one, resource two, and this both science one, resource two, and two are parallel. Now inside science resource you can also create directory if you want. Okay, one let's suppose, and two let's suppose. Okay, you can also add file here. Clicks this and you have to click on save changes. So now you can see the structure like this. Again, if you want to add, click on edit. If you want to add here on top of level, top of this level, you can also do that. So either you can create a directory or you can create file. Okay, so click on save. So your tree will look like this. Now again click on edit and you can change this. You can change the display view, like display folder with file icons. You can see display folder with file details. You can see details like when it was created and what is the size, and display folder as a tree, this one. Okay, so click on save change. You can on this description page, of course you will see the tree view by default. If you want to download this file, you can download all in one go. Okay, if you assign this course to this course name to any user, the user will be able to download this directory. So this way you can put all your resources, okay, here, and you can create n number of directory and n number of. Thank you. Thank you.